It can be a lucrative career, but you got to remember it's not just going to be underwater welding. Underwater welding is a skill set of a commercial diver. Like I said, you're going to be doing salvage work, inspection work, ship repair, working on pipelines, demolition, all underwater construction activities we're going to teach you here. But yes, overall you can have a lucrative career as a commercial diver. Off of the Bureau of Labor statistics, the starting salaries range anywhere from 40 to 60,000, 3 to 5 years of experience. It can jump anywhere from 70 on up to 6 figures. So the opportunities will definitely be there for you.